A lot of times when I tell people that I live in Barcelona, they imagine that I lay on the beach the whole day having tapas and beer. Well, let me show you what my week really looks like. Three times a week, my morning looks like this. So I got back home. It was quite busy morning. I need to rush to work. That's usually the case when I'm working out in the morning. Well, luckily I'm working from home. Like most of you, I work 5 days a week, 9 hours a day, so majority of my time is spent in front of this computer in my living room. Two times a week I'm learning Spanish, and that's where I'm heading right now. If you want to learn more about learning Spanish in Barcelona, I have a whole video made about it. Sometimes on Wednesdays after school, me and my friends, we go to a bar or a restaurant and grab a beer, and this week we went to a bar called 3345. Today's plan was to go to the beach to catch a sunrise. The problem is that we woke up at 9 and we are just leaving our house at 12. We'll be hanging around the neighborhood and hopefully we'll catch a sunset in Montjuic. Now we're heading to Montjuic after our short break at home. So we just got back from Montjuic. The sunset was amazing, and right now we'll stay at home for around 30 minutes and then we're going to see our friends. Today's plan was to go to the beach for a 3K run to commemorate January events for Lithuania with Lithuanian group. But we had few mojitos too many. We were super late. I'm still going for a run right now, but then we're heading to the beach to join other people that did the run. stayed a little bit after the picnic and volleyball game around. We caught a really nice sunset. Went to grab a beer as well on the way. We're going to stay at home. It's actually not that late. We are back at around 7. We're going to watch some TV series, relax at home, and then next week it's going to be all over again. Obviously, my weekend differs from time to time. I also didn't include more boring things like washing dishes or doing any home chores, which wouldn't be that interesting to watch, I guess. But how does it compare with your week? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video.